I'm discussing a very interesting topic about rotational motion of rigid bodies, that is the acceleration of a body rolling down an inclined plane. So this is the diagram of inclined plane making angle theta. The body is kept at point A, it comes point B, covers distance A, and here the linear velocity v and angular velocity omega, and the inclined plane makes an angle theta with the surface. So let a rigid body of mass m and radius r, this is the body, this is the mass m and radius r. The body may be sphere, cylinder or a disc. This body may be sphere or a disc. It is rolling from point A to point B, making an angle theta with the surface. So rigid body covers distances. So this is the distances from point A to point B. Linear velocity of the body at point B, that is v, angular velocity of the body, that is omega. We know that is v equal to omega r. So linear kinetic energy at this point, that is ek dash equal to half m v square. So moment of inertia of the body about the axis of rotation I equal to mk square. K is the radius of gyration. So rotational kinetic energy half I omega square. So putting the value, that is I mk square and omega, that is v by r, yet half m v square k square by r square. So next, total kinetic energy, that is ek dash, total kinetic energy, that is ek dash plus ep. So putting value, that is ek dash and ep, so we get that is ek equal to half m v square. So we can making common half m v square, so 1 plus k square by r square. So decrease in potential, so decrease in potential we can write the mgh. So mgh, that is decrease in potential. So from this figure we get that is h by s, that is sin theta. So putting the value of h, s sin theta, from the conservation of mechanical energy we get that is ek equal to ep. So putting the value of ek and ep we get that is v square. So v square equal to, we can write that is 2g sin theta by 1 plus k square by r square. So the acceleration of the body, that is a, since the body moves from rest, that is u equal to 0, so you can write that is v square equal to 2s. So comparing in this equation and this, we can get that is a equal to g sin theta by 1 plus k square by r square. So this is the acceleration of rigid body rolling down an inclined plane. Please like, share and subscribe. I think this class is highly helpful to all of the students. Please watch all the videos and like, share and comment in the comment section. Thank you all my dear students.